Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Fronter 620. In this video, you're going to ride the elevators here in the main building of the Drake Hotel Autograph Collection here in Oak Brook, Illinois. They are Doe Traditionals from the late 80s, early 90s. Look at these indicators. I really like them. Also, look how they displayed lower level. That's really unique. So let's call them. I got this one right here. Now we'll go down to the lower level. Here down at lower level. Let's go 4. So here we're at 4. Let's go on the lower level. And get our cab view. Yeah, I really don't think anybody's filmed these elevators before, so I'm definitely the first one to do so. There's your fornicator and door logo. There's your light. Inspection certificate. There's your instructions. COP. You need your phone right there. So watch that go. And it's called a red elevator. This one's got a plain cap. Doesn't have an arrow on it, looks like. Here's this one. Set up to 4. Here are 4 in this elevator. Let's go back down to the lower level. Get a cab view of this one. Based on a recent photo of the lobby that I saw that being renovated, I was a little worried that they might have modded these, but thankfully they did not. Here's your fornicator. Notice we're in elevator W2. Like the type of tax form, coincidentally. Emergency light, veteran certificate, fire service instructions, here are your buttons. So this is a 5-story hotel. Then here's your phone. Now let's head to 1 in from there. And now, just for the hell of it, let's inch down the element up to 4 so we can watch this indicator right here. But interesting how they fit the 2 L's in like one sector. Seen that on the elevator at the Shed Aquarium. If it's going to go or not. I've sent it up. I think I might cancel the up call. And it did cancel the up call, so now I have to call it. I have to recall it. Way cool. So yeah guys, those are the elevators here. And that's gonna be it. Hope you enjoyed.